Tradie Trev here. We've got ourselves an RGB light that's got a remote control with it. This is an Atom 4010, this model. I've got another model, a 1917, that doesn't have this fault. I'm just going to demo you the fault. Now you'd think if you just turn it off, it would go off, wouldn't it? Let's see what happens. Let's try it again. What? Let's try it one more time. And now it turns itself off. Okay, now you'd think you'd turn it back on. It should go back to, you know, turning back on white. Nope. Nope. Let's try turning it off again. Nope. Let's try it again. What the fuck? Yeah, how random is that, boys? Someone's got a little bug in their program. So yeah, pretty cool little remote though. Only cost me $5 from Bunnings in the bargain basement.